A recent electricity tariff hike in Meghalaya has sparked widespread discontentment among the people, with the Hinutrap Integrated Territorial Organization opposing the new approved tariff. Hito today distributed leaflets across Shillong, Jowai and Sora to protest the recent electricity tariff hike. The revised rate saw a hike up to 10 rupees. Hito has alleged that the increase disproportionately impacts of domestic consumers while offering relief to industrial users has sparked widespread discontent. Hito demanded the government invoke Section 65 of the Indian Electricity Act 2003 to provide subsidies for domestic consumers and called for a suspension of the new tariff order until transparency is ensured. The group also condemned retroactive billing from April 2024, terming it unfair amidst ongoing economic challenges. Urging better fiscal management, Hito criticized the retention of ineffective consultants in the Secretariat and emphasized that the government must prioritize the welfare of Meghalaya citizens over political maneuvering.
Shillong City. Today again we had continued our distribution of the pamphlets regarding the new policy that MSERC has come up regarding the electricity bills for domestic and for industrial use. So we are here today, and again we will continue this work of making the people understand of what the government is doing and how it's extorting money from the public and investing in other unnecessary and unwanted things. So as Hito Shillong City Unit, we are here and in protest, and also to make the people understand of what they're gonna lose if this policy is implemented after the 30th of November 2024. So we are here asking for your support from all the residents of Meghalaya, whether tribal or non-tribal, to come forward and give us a hand regarding this issue, because this does not affect only the tribals, but all the residents and all the citizens of Meghalaya are affected with this new law, with this new policy of MSERC.